Today we are going to discuss Cognizant is triggering mail regarding communication assessment. Here is an invitation from Cognizant to take communication assessment. Dear candidate, greetings from Cognizant. We are pleased to share that you have been shortlisted for the communication test. The communication test will be 60 minutes duration. Mandatory prerequisite is you have to do audio quality check. It is opening in Metal app. You have to download it. The MSB. I already downloaded MSB software. So I am clicking proceed test, launch test. Here it is asking open MSB. Open MSB. Here it is taking some time. Here are do's and don'ts for the audio check and actual assessment. Ensure desktop or laptop audio socket is proper working condition and be able to detect mic and the incoming voice. Ensure webcam is functional and well connected. You will be monitored via webcam during the assessment. Require stable internet connection with minimum 2 Mbps